behalf of the men and women of 502nd Combat Engineer Battalion, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to the JCI Makati team headed by the President, Mr. Joey Huyaen, for your collaboration and commitment to our community works here in Marawi City.
Feeling namin 3 days na kami dito or 1 week. Pero kahapon na pala kami nandito. Congratulations and warmest regards to the 502 CEB headed by, of course, Colonel Ma'am Riza. Thank you very much, ma'am, for the accommodation to JCI Makati.
Hello po, I'm Aaron Santos, the Local Skills Development Director of JCI Makati. And ang masasabi ko po sa buong trip namin dito sa Marawi, unang-una, it's heartbreaking to see the damages, the permanent damages of the war to this city. And at the same time, maganda rin pong makapupulutan natin ng aral na kung paano sila nakabangon sa sitwasyon nila.
Good day everyone! Again, I'm JM Huyaen, President of JCI Makati, and nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Kapandara dito sa Old City Hall ng Marawi City.
JCI Makati, drive for change!